Hello my dear. In this video I'm going to tell you some important rules of question tags. In my previous video I had promised to come up with important rules, so that I'm here with those rules today. If you want to know important rules of question tags, please watch this video till the end. Let's start. Important rules of question tags. Number 1. If there is auxiliary verb in the sentence, use same word in the tag. For example, Amy can help him, can't she? Amy can help him, can't she? There is you can say the auxiliary verb can, and this is also used in the question tag. Now number 2, if there is no auxiliary verb in the sentence, use do verb. For example, George married Anne, did not he? There is no auxiliary verb in this sentence, and you can see the main verb married. So do verb did not, as you can see, do verb did not is used in the sentence here, did not. Then number 3, if have verb is used as main verb, use do verb in the tag. For example, we have a problem, don't we? You can see here, we have a problem, don't we? Have is used as main verb in the sentence. That's why don't is used there in the sentence. Here you can see. Number 4, if have to or used to forms are used in the sentence, use do verb. You can see there, example, he had to write to her. He had to form is used in this sentence, and it is written there did not he, because had is past, that's why did is used there. Now number 5, apostrophe T plus better is equal to had, and apostrophe D plus rather is equal to would. Let's clarify the sentence with the examples there. The first example, the first one there. Example, you had better help her, hadn't you? Apostrophe D plus better is equal to had. Now next example there, he would rather watch it, wouldn't he? He would rather watch it. Rather is used there, and would not is used in the tag there. Now number 6 you can see that if the sentence is imperative, tag will be will you. Come here is imperative sentence there. Come here. Yes, you can see that. Come here, will you? Because that sentence starts with the word come. That is why that is imperative sentence, and we have to use will you in the tag if the sentence is imperative. Now number 7 there, if the sentence starts with let's, tag will be shall we. You can see here this sentence starts with let's. Yes, let's go out, shall we? It means we have to use shall we if the sentence starts with let's. Now number 8 there, you can see there number 8, if there is somebody, someone, anybody, anyone, nobody, no one, everybody, everyone in the sentence, use they in the tag. For example, everyone did it well, did not they? Everyone is equal to they. Now number 9 there, something, nothing, anything is equal to it. And the example there, anything can be sold, can't it? So you can say there, anything can be You can see right here. Anything can be sold, can't it? Next one. I am is equal to aren't I. I am is equal to aren't I. You can see there. I am is equal to aren't I. Okay. I am working, aren't I? 11. This and that is equal to it. These and those is equal to they. For example, this is a good bag, isn't it? Now, next example. These are my books, aren't they? Number 12. All, most, some, and none takes tag according to countable and uncountable. Okay. Example, all what sold, wasn't it? That might be object like sugar, that's why it is used there. Either or, neither nor. Either Ram or Lucy is lazy. Lucy is a girl, that's why C is used there, isn't she? And next example, or the last example about these important rules of question tags. Neither Lucy nor Jack is lazy, isn't he? Because Jack is he or boy, that's why he is used there. So my friend, my dear, I told you important rules of question tags. I hope this video will help you a lot to learn question tags. Please, 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 if you like this video, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.